Does your mind ever feel loud, busy, or tired even when you're not doing much? That feeling may not come solely from stress. It may come from clutter. Clutter is not just about messy rooms. It's also about crowded thoughts, too many choices, and holding on to things that no longer help you. When your space is full, your mind often feels full too. In this video, you'll learn simple and gentle ways to clear your space and calm your mind, one small step at a time. If you enjoy simple ideas that bring peace, clarity, and personal growth, make sure to subscribe now so you don't miss future videos. Begin with small, manageable tasks like clearing one tiny area at a time to build confidence and sustain your decluttering journey. One of the biggest mistakes people make when decluttering is trying to do everything at once. That can feel overwhelming and exhausting. Instead of cleaning your whole house, start with one small corner. When you clear one tiny space, your brain feels proud and motivated. This sense of control encourages you to keep going. Decluttering is not a race. Slow progress is still progress. Keep what truly adds value or joy. As you sort through your things, ask yourself one simple question. Does this add value or joy to my life? Value means it helps you in some way. Joy means it makes you smile or feel calm. If something does neither, it may be time to let it go. Keeping things out of guilt or habit creates silent stress. Your space should support your life, not weigh it down. Write your worries down to clear mental clutter. Mental clutter can be just as heavy as physical clutter. When worries stay in your head, they bounce around and grow bigger. Writing them down helps release them. Take a notebook and write everything that's on your mind. Don't judge it, just write. Once your thoughts are on paper, your mind has more room to breathe. You don't need to solve everything right away. You need space. Clean your space to calm your thoughts. Your environment affects how you feel more than you may realize. A tidy space can bring calm and focus, helping you feel safe and relaxed in your environment. Your surroundings should support your well-being, not cause stress. You don't need perfection. You need an order that feels peaceful to you. When your space is clean, your mind often follows. Let go of what no longer has a purpose. If something no longer serves a clear purpose in your life, let it go. Holding on to unused items takes energy. Every object you keep asks for space, attention, and care. Letting go is not about loss. It's about making room for what truly matters now. Your life has changed, and your space should match who you are today. Simplify to reduce decision fatigue. Every item you own creates a decision. What to wear, where to put things, what to clean. Too many choices can tire your brain. It is called decision fatigue. By simplifying your space, you reduce the number of decisions you make each day. It saves mental energy for what truly matters. Less clutter means fewer choices and more peace. Create clear zones for different parts of life. Your brain loves clear signals. Create simple zones in your space. One area for work, one for rest, one for creativity. When everything has a place, your mind knows what to focus on. Working in a rest area or resting in a work area can confuse your brain and increase stress. Clear zones help your mind switch modes more easily. Say no to maybe later clutter. Maybe later is one of the biggest causes of clutter. Items kept for someday often stay unused for years. They quietly take up space and attention. If you haven't used something in a long time and don't have a clear plan for it, it may be time to say goodbye. Trust yourself. If you truly need it later, you'll find a solution then. Keep daily routines simple. Adopt a few simple daily routines that genuinely support your well-being, making life easier and less overwhelming. Choose a few daily routines that truly support you. Let go of the rest. Simple routines make life easier to manage and less stressful. Decluttering is a lifestyle, not a one-time event. Decluttering is not something you do once and forget. It's a mindset. Life keeps changing, and your needs change too. What worked before may not work now. When you see decluttering as a way of thinking, it becomes easier to maintain. You begin to notice when something no longer fits, and you let it go with ease. Decluttering your space helps declutter your mind. When you create space around you, you create space within you. Start small. Be gentle with yourself. Progress matters more than perfection. If this video helped you feel calmer or clearer, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tools to improve your life, one step at a time. Your peace is worth protecting.